So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on Environment Variables. And now this will come up. Now under System Variables, you want to find Path. Double click on it. And now this will come up. Now once we're here, you want to get the javaw.exe path. So you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. You want to find a file called javaw. So on the left hand side, scroll down and then click on this PC. You want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And you want to find the Java folder. It's either going to be in Program Files or Program Files x86. For me, it's in Program Files x86. I've got Java right here. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to open up my Java version. And then open up bin. You want to be in this page right here. Just scroll down until you see javaw.exe. That's how you know you're on the right folder. You want to copy this folder path. So click right here, which will now highlight this in blue. You want to right click and then copy this path. Once you've copied this path, we can now minimize this. We're going to be back here. You want to click on new. And you want to paste that path you just copied right now. So right click and then paste. And then click on OK. Once you do all of that, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.